I need you guys to listen to this mix, listen to the attitude, listen to the slap it has. That is Take Me Away from Jass's latest EP, which I just mixed and was released only last week. Now, I actually used the Impact module on a very specific element in this mix to just make it hit, to make it get me right in the gut just a little bit more. Did I use it on the drums? No. Did I use it on the bass? No. I actually ended up using it on this guitar here. This is without any processing. What I was hearing is the low mids of it weren't moving. They were just like sort of not quite there. So let me show you what I've done. In parallel, well, not technically parallel, I got really lazy and just duplicated the track, but in parallel with the original signal, I have the Impact module soloing the low mids and expanding them or increasing the microdynamic range of them whenever the guitar chugs or hits. And I'm doing that in sync with the actual tempo of the track, so I get this interesting pumping effect. And have a listen just to the parallel of the Impact module. And the reason why I did that is because if I just put an EQ on those low mids, you would have just got this constant woolliness from the guitar, and I didn't want it to all feel muddy. I just wanted that low mid to move and poke out. So I did that first, but it was a little bit hard to hear in context with the mix, so I'll play it in the mix without any of the other processing. It's getting too hard out here. I need a break from things, it's clear. And because it was a little bit hard to hear, I didn't want to just crank the parallel channel and just have all this low mid boosting in. Like, it's doing a good job on the element itself. What I wanted to do is I wanted to grab that expansion and just saturate it with the exciter module. So have a listen to it raw with and without it, with and without the saturation. And then I just wanted to go ham because I didn't want any information down the center. So I used wider at 200% because, well, I can, and it's a very subtle effect, which is creative. So listen to this in the parallel now. Now listen to the whole mix, and I'll start the whole mix without it in, and then I'll do it again with it in. It's getting too hard out here. I need a break from things, it's clear. Oh, it's getting too hard out here. I need a break from things, it's clear. Oh, it's a nice movement that doesn't kill the vibe of the mix, it just gets you into it more as a listener. Anyway, that's my little fun parallel trick that I did there on the guitars. It surprised me when I did it. Even when the producer was here, he's like, I don't know what the fuck you're doing, but... No, he wasn't like, he's not like that. He's actually a really nice guy, Yak. He just was surprised. I was surprised. We were all surprised. We were like, shit, this works. This like weird sort of technique with using a mastering plugin and then saturating and doing some crazy stuff, and we all enjoyed it. So yeah, hope you got something from this. Until next time, take care.